Let's also take this across to Mohit Bhatt, who continues to stay live with us on the broadcast. Mohit, just a few hours ago, the Delhi Transport Minister was also part of some inaugurations. Now, not just has he resigned, but it's a scathing letter that he has written as well, speaking about the Aam Aadmi Party's political ambitions.
Well, in fact, it's a massive breaking news coming in today that Kailash Gehlot, somebody who is very senior minister in the party, who has been associated with Arvind Kejriwal Aam Aadmi Party for a long time and resigned. And we are right now being joined by Virendra Sachdeva, Delhi BJP president, and we'll get the first exclusive reaction of the BJP from him regarding what has transpired, because what he has shared in letter, Kailash Gehlot, is something which is very, very serious. Sir, Kailash Gehlot एक वरिष्ठ मंत्री हैं, काफी समय से आम आदमी पार्टी में रहे हैं और आम आदमी पार्टी में अरविंद केजरीवाल के खास जो लोग हैं उनमें उन्हें माना जाता था। उन्होंने रिजाइन कर दिया। रिजाइन में लेकिन लेटर में उन्होंने क्या बोला, इंपॉर्टेंट है, कहा है कि जो वैल्यूज है आम आदमी पार्टी की वो जो है भूल चुके हैं। पॉलिटिकल एम्बिशंस जो है, वो कमिटमेंट जो है उसके ऊपर आ चुके हैं। यमुना की सफाई की बात की, कहा कि यमुना और गंदी हो गई है। शीश महल तक का उन्होंने रेफरेंस दिया। क्या कहेंगे?
कैलाश गहलोत ने सीधा सीधा जिस बात को हम दिल्ली की जनता से लगातार कहते आ रहे हैं, आज उसकी पुष्टि की है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट हैं और दिल्ली को लूटने में लगे हैं। कैलाश गहलोत ने तो सिर्फ उनको आईना दिखाया है कि शीश महल, यमुना और ऐसे अनेक मुद्दे हैं जिस पे कैलाश गहलोत अब धीरे धीरे बोलेंगे, जो मेरे को उनकी चिट्ठी देखने से लग रहा है। उन्होंने सीधा सीधा कहा है कि वैल्यूज खत्म। वैल्यूज आम आदमी पार्टी में कभी थी नहीं, लेकिन जो छल की और कपट की राजनीति अरविंद केजरीवाल कर रहे थे, उसको आज कैलाश गहलोत ने एक तरह से दिखा दिया है कि आम आदमी पार्टी नहीं है, ये अरविंद केजरीवाल का वो गैंग है जो दिल्ली को बर्बाद करने पर लगा, जिससे कैलाश गहलोत ने इस्तीफा दिया।
तो यमुना की उन्होंने बात की, कहा कि यमुना जो है अभी तक गंदी है और अभी पिछले कुछ समय में ज्यादा पोल्यूशन हो गया है। तो एक तरह से गवर्नेंस पे भी उन्होंने सवाल उठाए और अचानक सवाल ये भी उठे, क्या हुआ कुछ ही घंटों पहले वो एक सरकारी कार्यक्रम में भी थे जो उनकी मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर आता है। शीश महल को भी ने भी पार्टी की इमेज डेंट की है। वो ये कहते तो दो ऐसे मुद्दे जो बीजेपी काफी समय से उठाती रही है वो भी उन्होंने साइड किए।
देखिए, शीश महल तो हम सबने देखा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ने अपनी अय्याशी के लिए सरकारी पैसे का कितना दुरुपयोग किया। वो शीश महल उसका जीता जागता उदाहरण है और हम तो बार बार डिमांड करते हैं कि उसके दरवाजे खोले जाए, दिल्ली की जनता को दिखाया जाए कि कैसे उनकी गाड़ी कमाई को लूटकर अरविंद केजरीवाल ने अपनी अय्याशी पे खर्च किया है। तो कैलाश गहलोत जो कह रहे हैं वो तो दिल्ली की जनता की आवाज कह रहे हैं, दिल्ली की जनता। और जहां तक यमुना की बात है, यमुना का तो हमने खुद बताया। यमुना की हालत जो है, आज मुझे लगता है 20-25 दिन हो गए, लेकिन आज तक भी स्थिति खराब है। आज भी शरीर में वो सब चीजें हैं, क्योंकि एक डुबकी ने अगर शरीर को इतना नुकसान पहुंचाया, तो दिल्ली में हमारे पूर्वांचल भाई बहनों के साथ कितना बड़ा धोखा अरविंद केजरीवाल पिछले 10 सालों से कर रहे हैं। यमुना की सफाई के नाम पर 8500 करोड़ रुपए लूट के खा गए और आज भी गंदे नाले में।
आम आदमी पार्टी में सब कुछ सही नहीं है, ऐसा लग रहा है।
आम आदमी पार्टी है नहीं। मैंने कहा ये लुटेरे को गैंग है जो दिल्ली को लूटने आया था और दिल्ली की जनता इन्हें अब रवाना करेगी।
So there you heard the first exclusive reaction coming in from Virendra Sachdeva, Delhi BJP president, who clearly states that nothing is right within the Aam Aadmi Party, and in fact he goes on to say that the issues that BJP has been raising are coming from the inside of the Aam Aadmi Party now, with the likes of Sheesh Mahal that has been quoted by Kailash Gehlot in his letter. He also talks about that how the political ambition have taken over the commitment that the Aam Aadmi Party had and since their inception. And also about Yamuna. That's a very strong attack coming in from the Kailash Gehlot, where he says that we have done nothing for pollution in Yamuna, and in fact Yamuna has got polluted more in past few years. So clearly it's a very, very strong.
Yes, so he speaks about unfulfilled promises. He goes on to say that promises to the people have been unfulfilled. He says, I started my political journey with the commitment to serve the people. I want to continue doing that, and saying that it is now looking like the political ambitions have taken the center stage within the Aam Aadmi Party. A big criticism coming in, Sagrika.
And I'm taking you through more excerpts of his letter, his resignation letter, and the reason cited, which also Mohit mentioned while speaking, while just talking to you, Pratibha. In this letter, the resignation letter, Kailash Gehlot says, and I quote, take for example the Yamuna, which we have promised to transform into a clean river, but we never got around to doing it. Now the Yamuna river is perhaps even more polluted than ever before. Apart from this, now there are many embarrassing and awkward controversies like the Sheesh Mahal, which are now making everyone doubt whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi. Then he says, I started my political journey with the commitment to serve the people of Delhi, and I want to continue doing that, which is why I find myself left with no option but to step away from the Aam Aadmi Party, and hence I resign from the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party. I wish you the best for your health and the future. I also thank party colleagues and well-wishers for their wishes and kindness throughout this journey. So Kailash Gehlot top leader in the Aam Aadmi Party, resigning as from the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party and also resigning from the Council of Ministers.
Okay, what does this mean for the Aam Aadmi Party? Let's get more breaking updates coming in. The BJP is gearing up for the Delhi Assembly polls. The BJP is holding back-to-back meetings. The BJP steering committee meeting is also underway. Mohit, the development comes just with months to go for the Delhi Assembly elections. And in his letter, the senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, who also served as a minister, says that it is painful to see that instead of fighting for people's rights, we have increasingly only been fighting for our own political agenda.
Well, yes, in fact, you see, Kailash Gehlot is not just any ordinary worker of the Aam Aadmi Party. He was a minister when Manish Sisodia went to jail regarding the certain allegations that have come in. He was the minister when Arvind Kejriwal went to jail, and he has been associated with the Aam Aadmi Party for a long time. He is somebody who was seen as the essential part of the core group of the top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now, when he comes out, resigns from his post, resigns from the primary membership, and he's also resigned from his ministerial post, and he goes on to say that we have done nothing from Yamuna. The issues like Sheesh Mahal have dented the image of the Aam Aadmi Party. He also talks about that how the political ambition have taken over the commitment that the people of the Aam Aadmi Party had since their inception. It's a very strong message to the top leadership of the Aam Aadmi Party. Now,
okay, Mohit, just a moment. We have Manjinder Singh Sirsa joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Sirsa, big setback for the Aam Aadmi Party, but more importantly, in the letter, Kailash Gehlot has mentioned that instead of fighting for the people's rights, the Aam Aadmi Party has been fighting for its own political agenda. Development just with months to go for the Delhi Assembly elections.
No, definitely. This is a corruption ship which is sinking now. This is a ship with the loads of money and a corrupted money which is sinking now, and people are leaving the ship now. Arvind Kejriwal ka corruption ka beda डूब रहा है. One thing is very clear, that nobody wants to stay in that sinking ship. That is the reason that today a known lieutenant of Arvind Kejriwal, who has been a minister for a long time, and today being a minister, resigning away and telling how corrupt is Aam Aadmi Party and what is the real agenda of Aam Aadmi Party and what is the fake narrative which Aam Aadmi Party is building up. So one thing is very clear, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के जाने का समय आ गया, दिल्ली के बचने का समय आ गया. अब दिल्ली बचेगी, अरविंद केजरीवाल जाएंगे और दिल्ली अब बचेगी.
जी, लेकिन सिरसा जी, उन्होंने दो मुद्दे, he has mentioned two of the key issues in his letter as well. He speaks about Yamuna, one of the promises that had been made by Kejriwal, by Aam Aadmi Party. He says we never got around to doing it. Now Yamuna River is more polluted than before, and more importantly, he also goes on to mention Sheesh Mahal, saying that this puts everyone in doubt whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi.
Definitely, that is the true picture of Arvind Kejriwal. He has siphoned the thousands of crore rupees in the name of Yamuna clearing. More than 8,000 crore rupees has been siphoned out. And at the same time, he is living a luxurious life and wearing that shirt when coming out, 100 rupee shirt when coming out of for people, and saying कि देखिए मैं तो गरीब आदमी हूँ, मेरे को तो शर्ट भी जो है 100 रुपए की बाजार में खरीदनी पड़ती है. और जिस घर में वो रहते हैं शीश महल में, उसमें टॉयलेट सीट भी 10 लाख रुपए की है, पर्दा भी 20 लाख रुपए का, कलीन भी 50 लाख रुपए का है. और ये सच आज कोई और नहीं बोल रहा, उनकी खुद के लेफ्टिनेंट बोल रहे हैं, कैलाश गहलोत बता रहे हैं सच. तो एक बात स्पष्ट है, अरविंद केजरीवाल भ्रष्ट है, और यह भी स्पष्ट है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल अब दिल्ली से जाएंगे और दिल्ली तभी बच पाएगी.
Okay, all right. Manjinder Singh Sirsa, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. Going back to Mohit on that. Mohit, two issues that have been mentioned by Kailash Gehlot in his letter mentioned Yamuna. The cleanup of Yamuna was one of the biggest promises being made by the Aam Aadmi Party. Nothing has been done in that regard. And Sheesh Mahal as well, a Times Now investigation that showed how massive amount of money had been used to spruce up the Chief Minister's residence. Mohit, before I come to you, let's play out more reactions that are just coming in from the BJP.
अभी कैलाश गहलोत जी ने इस्तीफा दे दिया है आम आदमी पार्टी से, अपने मंत्री पद से, और बताया है कि किस प्रकार से आम आदमी पार्टी अब खास आदमी पार्टी बन चुकी है. उसका सियासी धर्मांतरण हो चुका है, सब मूल्यों से हट चुकी है. जो वादे दिल्ली वासियों से किए थे, स्कूल के, अस्पताल के, प्रदूषण मुक्त दिल्ली बनाने के, यमुना को साफ करने के, सारे वादे तोड़ दिए. केवल भ्रष्टाचार में लीन रही और जो वादे करते थे कि हम कांग्रेस से नहीं मिलेंगे, जो वादे करते थे कि हम बड़े घर में नहीं जाएंगे, वो शीश महल में ज्यादा व्यस्त हो गए, अपने व्यक्तिगत हितों को ज्यादा अहमियत देने लगे और जो वादे जनता से किए थे वो सारे वादे तोड़ दिए। आज केवल कैलाश गहलोत नहीं, अन्ना हजारे ने भी इस प्रकार की बातें आम आदमी पार्टी और अरविंद केजरीवाल के बारे में कही, योगेंद्र यादव ने भी कही, कुमार विश्वास ने भी कही, हमने देखा है शांति भूषण प्रशांत भूषण ने भी छोड़ा। तो ऐसा कोई व्यक्ति नहीं है जो आम आदमी पार्टी से एक प्रकार से डिसइल्यूजन होकर ना निकला हो, क्योंकि आम आदमी पार्टी अब केवल अरविंद के लिए पार्टी बन चुकी थी, ये अरविंद आदमी पार्टी बन चुकी थी। और जिस प्रकार से स्वराज से शराब तक, अन्ना से लालू तक, भ्रष्टाचार हटाओ से भ्रष्टाचार बचाओ तक, जिस प्रकार से घोटालों को लड़ने के बदले घोटाला करने तक जो सियासी धर्मांतरण उन्होंने किया, वो आज उनके ही नेता ने, उन्हीं के व्यक्ति ने, कैलाश गहलोत ने फिर से उसका पर्दाफाश किया है। यही कहते हैं कि आम आदमी पार्टी का सियासी धर्मांतरण हो गया। अब ये अन्ना हजारे जी के साथ नहीं, अब ये स्वराज मॉडल के साथ नहीं, ये शराब मॉडल के साथ और लालू के साथ है। अभी कैलाश गहलोत जी ने इस्तीफा दे दिया है आम आदमी।
So Kailash Gehlot writing a scathing letter. This is a letter that he has written to Arvind Kejriwal where he has spoken about the political ambitions taking forth. He has mentioned two key issues of the Aam Aadmi Party and how they remain unfulfilled. One is the Yamuna, the cleanup of the Yamuna River, while also mentioning Sheesh Mahal and how that has led to many people raising questions on whether the Aam Aadmi Party is for the Aam Aadmi Party or not. Let me quote from the letter that Kailash Gehlot has written. He says, "Let me start sincerely by thanking you for having given me the honor of serving and representing the people of Delhi as MLA and Minister. However, at the same time, I want to share with you today, the Aam Aadmi Party faces grave challenges from within to the very values that brought us together to Aam Aadmi Party." So he says that values that made Aam Aadmi Party what it was, which brought together political leaders, is no longer what it used to be. He goes on to say that two key issues have been unfulfilled. He mentions Sheesh Mahal, saying there are embarrassing and awkward controversies like the Sheesh Mahal, which are making everyone doubt whether we still believe in being the Aam Aadmi. Sagrika continues to stay live with us. Sagrika, it was the Times Now investigation that revealed that Kejriwal had spent over 45 crores in sprucing up the Sheesh Mahal, the Chief Minister's residence, and now some within the Aam Aadmi Party, those in the cabinet also questioning this splurge.
Yes, not just questioning the splurge, citing it to in fact resign from the Aam Aadmi Party ahead of a very crucial election. And the other issue that has been cited is that of polluted Yamuna and the promises that were made by the Aam Aadmi Party to clean the Yamuna. Let me take you back to what the LG had said 2 days back, because Yamuna is one issue that Kailash Gehlot has cited, and he has said now we promise to clean the Yamuna, but it seems like Yamuna is more polluted than even before. The LG 2 days ago had also put out a long post on social media, and what did the LG say? I'm going to read out a translated version of LG VK Saksena's tweet. So let me now tell you about this tweet. He said, in June 2022, I took everyone along and started the work of cleaning the Najafgarh drain in mission mode. The results were encouraging, and seeing the results in January 2023, the NGT constituted a high-level committee under the chairmanship of the Lieutenant Governor and entrusted it with the responsibility of cleaning and revival of the Yamuna. After this, 5 meetings of the committee were held under my chairmanship, in which the work of cleaning the Yamuna was started on a war footing. The results of these efforts also started becoming visible. The 11-kilometer floodplain of Yamuna gradually started becoming clean and encroachment-free, and the quality of water also started improving a little. Due to these encouraging results, the then Chief Minister, Shri Arvind Kejriwal, started feeling that the LG might get the credit for the false promise of cleaning the Yamuna, which he had made, but could not fulfill it even a bit in the last 9 years. As a result, Mr. Kejriwal filed a petition in the Honorable Supreme Court and got a stay in July 2023 on the order of the NGT, nominating me as the chairman of the high-level committee. As a result, all the cleaning work done in the last 5 months came to a halt. By doing this, Mr. Kejriwal may have succeeded in stopping my efforts to clean the Yamuna, but in the next 16 months, he himself did not do a single work for cleaning the Yamuna. The The worst condition of Yamuna today is evident from its result. Newspapers and news media are filled with the reports of the plight of the Yamuna every day. Even on the great festival of Chhath, the Honorable High Court prohibited offering of water in the river by the devotees due to the filth spread in the river. If we pay attention to the attached news, it becomes clear how polluted the thinking and intentions of the person who obstructed my efforts to make the Yamuna pollution free must have been. So here you have the LG citing the efforts that he had undertaken to get the Yamuna clean, and then the politics that happened and the steps taken where he raised some questions when it comes to the actions of Arvind Kejriwal. And now you contrast it with one of the reasons cited by a top leader of the Aam Aadmi Party who's now quit from the primary membership of the Aam Aadmi Party, and Kailash Gehlot also quitting from the Council of Ministers, citing the false promises as claimed by Kailash Gehlot to clean up the Yamuna, and those promises that have not been fulfilled.
Okay, all right. Sagarika, thank you for joining us. Political analyst Piyush Joshi is also joining us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Piyush Joshi. In a letter written by Kailash Gehlot, one of the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, he says that the Delhi government is busy fighting the centre instead of fighting for the people. Goes on to mention nothing has been done in Yamuna, and Sheesh Mahal is also an awkward controversy for a party that called itself Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, whosoever is going to leave the political party is not going to leave the party on a good note. He is not going to praise the party and switch sides. So whatever claims he has put forward are quite understandable. Whosoever is going to leave the party is leaving the party at an acrimonious note only. You don't expect them to, to praise Arvind Kejriwal, to praise the work that has been done by the political party. So that's there. So whatever he has said, he needs an excuse to leave the party, to leave the primary membership of the party, and those are the excuses that he has put forward. Nevertheless, Kailash Gehlot's resignation should be taken seriously by the political party, should be taken seriously by Arvind Kejriwal and the Political Affairs Committee of the Aam Aadmi Party. I will personally consider it as a setback for the party, but the party will move on because the party is People's Party. The party basically fights for healthcare and education of each and every Indian, so the party will continue to do that. But
Kailash Gehlot is somebody who has been linked to the excise policy scam as well. The Enforcement Directorate had also questioned him. He is somebody who has worked very closely with Arvind Kejriwal as well. And for a senior leader like him, who just a few hours ago was part of some inaugurations, to come out in his capacity as the Delhi minister, to come out and say that these are controversies that the Aam Aadmi Party does not stand for, that we are no longer the party that we once were. How big a setback do you think it is, coming just months ahead of the assembly elections?
Yeah, that's why I said in my previous reply as well, that it is certainly a setback. Losing a leader of the stature of Kailash Gehlot is certainly a setback. But, that is the road of a political party. The political party is built on highs and lows, and it has its own turmoils. So if you are putting forward the people's agenda, you will survive. If you're not putting forward the people's agenda, you will face problems, and your support base will keep on decreasing. I personally believe that Aam Aadmi Party is made up of the common man of India, is always keeping the agenda of the common man before itself. So it is going to do well, and we can see in the coming Vidhan Sabha election that the party is going to do well. What pressures Mr. Kailash Gehlot was under, I am not privy to that. Of course, Enforcement Directorate and various agencies have inquired against him. He has been questioned. So what kind of pressures he faced, only he can answer, and the union government can answer. It's certainly a setback. Losing a person of Kailash Gehlot's stature is always a setback. But I think the party has faced many such setbacks in the past and still came out shining, and we will continue to do so.
Okay, let's see how this plays out. Mr. Piyush Joshi, thank you for joining us. In his letter, Kailash Gehlot says that there are many embarrassing and awkward controversies like the Sheesh Mahal, saying the big claims were made but nothing was done about Yamuna, while saying that the Delhi government spends majority of its time fighting with the centre and not serving the people of Delhi. The BJP has now spoken about the resignation of Kailash Gehlot and what this means. Listen in.
कैलाश गहलोत का लेटर और रेजिग्नेशन आम आदमी पार्टी की प्राइमरी मेंबरशिप से और ये कहना कि शीश महल के कारण आम आदमी पार्टी को जमीन पर नुकसान हो रहा है और आम आदमी पार्टी अपने मूल्यों से दूर जा चुकी है और इसी के कारण उनको रिजाइन करना पड़ रहा है, ये स्पष्ट करता है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के अंदर हर व्यक्ति मानता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी भ्रष्टाचारी हैं। दिल्ली के लिए आम आदमी पार्टी एक पाप है और आप भी अरविंद केजरीवाल से किनारा करना चाहती है।
All right, big developments, a lot of political reactions also expected. We're keeping a track of that. For the moment, let's shift our attention. Well, elections are the talk of the town in Maharashtra, with everyone hoping for a brighter future in the state. The same holds true for employment opportunities. My colleague Shrija